Hello everybody, this is Scott coming at you straight from the Lion's Den, and this is going to be a segment on cook pots and cooking systems. Okay everybody, on with the next segment here. Just want to show some different do-it-yourself pots, and you know, there'll be one store-bought pot here, but well, y'all understand. Of course, this is the elusive Heine pot, and you see it really is the you know, with the side cutter, cut the lid off, makes it very safe and easy to use, and basically the top of it becomes your lid. Very basic, very easy, very, very lightweight. I actually have a different variation of that one here that, of course, is a little more elaborate. So you can see I painted it black. Actually has a wristband, the neoprene wristband around it, which makes it a little easier for drinking out of. And then on the lid portion, I went so far as to, I actually put something to grab onto. All I did was just use a little bit of paracord. That gives you something that makes it real simple and easy to grab on. That way you don't have to touch it while it's hot. Also, drilled some holes in that puppy, so that way it can vent, and you can pour straight out this way in case you are cooking inside. You know, it is vented and you can drain it off. So that's just a different variation. We have smaller pots. These are definitely for someone who's going like real lightweight here. This one I got the ring and lid from Smoke Eater 908. Makes it real nice because you can take these smaller cans, you know, these 24-ounce cans, and make definitely a much smaller pot. Here's one I got from him in a cook kit, and I just want to show this because this is the one that I made, and then the one that I bought. Same lid and ring design, only this is slightly taller, and of course it's got the wrap on it, which works really nice because you can grab this just like this, to whereas, you know, with the others you definitely want to be wearing gloves. So it kind of gives you the option there. And then this is the standard now, unfortunately, since you can't get the Heinekens anymore. And everyone's using Foster's cans. You know, there's a couple other larger cans out there that are these 24-ounce, you know, 32-ounce sizes that you use. I showed this one because of what I'll be showing here in the future. This is a can that is going to become a pot eventually. So this one is still, you know, top of it's still on. But I wanted to show you exactly what you're working with when you start. Very simple, I mean, it is a can. Most people don't think of this, but you know, depending on, even when you go to stores that have oddball stuff, you know, I actually got this, believe it or not, at a 99-cent store. And the whole reason for showing this can is you can find a ton of these, and this is, I mean, this is a 11.5-ounce can, but this is not aluminum. This is actually the same material that you find for all of your vegetable cans, all that kind of stuff. It's that same material. Great thing is it's flat bottom. It is heavier, however, it is very durable. This is the second one I have, and I've actually used this over an open fire. You know, sometimes just because you see these things and you see what's, you know, what everybody's using, going, hey, buy this, buy that, you know, hey, use what you find. Use what you pick up at the store. It doesn't have to cost you $40, $50 for, you know, a cook pot. This I bought for 79 cents. And I tell you what, especially for something very small, remember this is 11.5-ounce can. I'll put a piece of aluminum foil over it if I need to, you know, to cook in it, and I can still boil 8 ounces of water, which is a cup, which is all you need for, you know, a full bag of ramen or something like that. This works perfectly fine for 79 cents. So it's all about thinking. It's all about looking at what's out there. Now, being that we're talking about something that was bought, the rave that everybody's been going after lately, which is an IMUSA mug. This is a 10 centimeter. I got this, you know, from the store. I got it from a local Walmart. I know everybody's been, you know, looking at these and buying some of these online for $6, $7, $8, $10. Hey, if you have accessibility to physically walk into a store like a Walmart, walk into one of your bigger grocery stores that sell in bulk. A lot of them do have a little, if you go into the ethnic aisle, they do have some IMUSA stuff by all the Hispanic food section, and you should check it out. This was $1.79. A lot of difference, and I got it immediately. A lot of difference between that and $10, you know, $7 to $10 for this thing, and waiting 2 weeks for it to be shipped to you. And of course, I got a lid, which once again I got from my buddy Smoke Eater 908. So what this costs for the lid in this is cheaper than what I've seen just the mug itself online. You know, I mean, it really is you got to kind of look at what you're getting. So those are all very nice, lightweight, easy things to use. Want to share those with you, and we'll see you in the next segment.